Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and we are just finishing up the filming of the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic. And I always like to go back through some of the highlights of this machine, since I just spent a lot of days filming over 90 videos for all of you Viking Epic owners. So please enjoy all of them. Go back, know that you can watch them over and over. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, so all those links below are in the description. But we have a fabulous machine here. We have top of the line technology. We have sewing that is beyond, it's been a dream to do all the sewing techniques that are in here. And to realize that how much is just right at our fingertips on this touch screen in the Joy OS Advisor. Everything from advising on embroidery techniques to sewing techniques to over 100 videos just built into the machine. So we do show you how you can get to those and realize that everything is right there for you. We've stitched out some designs. We showed you how to do applique. We showed you how to do design positioning. And this isn't even the biggest hoop. This right here was the 260 by 200 hoop size. And I'll slide this in. It actually doesn't even fit in the camera. As you can see, this is the largest hoop that this machine comes with, the 360 by 260, and there's also a hoop that is about a 5 by 5. Great selection of hoops and plenty more to pick from. When we're doing the sewing, just having unlimited piercing power to that needle, where we can go through denim that is 8 to 12 layers thick with no problem whatsoever. But with being a great sewing machine, a wonderful embroidery machine, it has some very fun, unique stitches. So yes, it has fabulous decorative stitches, but it also has some exclusive stitches like sequin stitches and applique stitches, stitches that pop or pop-up stitches, and you do some rotation through as you create these stitches. So throughout the machine, there is just so much offerings, along with the space. The space and the lighting right here alone has been a pleasure of not feeling like I'm sewing or embroidering in the dark. Everything is right at my fingertips. The automatic needle threader is just a touch of the button and it threads the needle for me. So whether you're a quilter and you're looking for more space for sewing, you're an embroiderer and looking for a larger hoop to do some of those 10-inch block sizes that are coming out these days. But I want to thank you for watching all of our videos. We do have some online courses that you might be interested in. We do have Embroidery Essentials. That is our new class. And by the way, it was filmed on a Viking Designer Epic, so those screens in that online course do match your machine. And we are looking forward to having our Stitching Cosmos online course that will be launched in 2019. So keep in touch. Sign up for our emails over at sewingmastery.com to be notified as new sewing and embroidery videos are launched. So thanks so much. I hope you've enjoyed all the videos that we've done. Please share with your other Viking embroidery and sewing friends. Even if they don't have this fabulous machine, they can learn a lot of things about buttonholes, blind hems, mending, and other great embroidery techniques. So thanks again, and we will see you online.